Hey, so I'll just show how I went by with a little chat system. Um, Basically, I have a system class that receives all the messages, stores it on a list for uh, possible synchronization purposes, or I don't know yet. um, so this is based on events, and basically when the server responds, I register a broadcast to the request send chat message event. This is something that the client will send, and then after that, the chat system on the server will send this message to all the clients. The idea here is not to focus on boring message checks and all that kind of stuff, but to show the flux of the things. That's something I missed a lot on other tutorials. Okay, so um, in my project, we request this message from a simple UI. Let me find it. I actually didn't have this prepared. Sorry about that. Um, uh, Chat view. Yeah, love chat view. Okay. So, here's the UI object. Here we have this class on it. And basically, I'll send a message when the user press enter on the input field. So okay, so here we process the input on the after listening to the on submit from the input field. And then we send a request to send the message. This will run locally for the player. I think, I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong, but then the only thing I do here, which is not really something that will stick, is the get component thing on every time you send a message. So just so you know, I know this is horrible practice. But okay, so in my architecture, the soul is like the unique instance of the player. And then I will create a chat message, and this chat message has the channel that the message will be sent, the network connection that sent the message, and a readable author and content. I also have a little helper method to see the full message, which just send the author in bold and the content. Okay, so then after that, we will get the message from the input field and the username from the soul, which is just the C key for now. If you're not familiar with SS13, you probably don't know what this means. There's a little description here. Then I will broadcast this message from the client manager, which just means that I will send this message to the server, as you can read here. Okay, then we go back to the server and it will receive this, process, and broadcast to all the clients. And that's pretty much it. Now, also I think it's fair to show this. The request, the broadcast structure, sorry, simply receives the chat message. Okay, so in Unity, I will rebuild the project. I should have prepared this before, but it's just a little while. It's fairly quick here. Um, okay, we have the build here. Let me just check if I have if I'm hosting here. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I will host the server. Okay, I have a little chat here, which I can send a message. And then I will launch a client here. Okay. Yeah, it just doesn't, don't worry about this. Okay, so we have two clients here, and I will send test test one here, and you'll see that it takes a little, it has a little delay. I'm not sure why, but I know it has a little delay, and you can see that the server received it. And let's send test 2 from this user. Okay, so we can see that this works. You have to have some kind of checks here later, but well, it's working. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. I don't think I'm checking the channel here. Let me just double check here. Okay, when we receive a message from the server, we also we first save the message, and then we check if the channel is the same that we want here. And then we simply add the UI. I have a little set message here, helper. Okay, that's pretty much it. Please ask questions if you need it, and pardon my broken English. See you soon, I guess.